Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how I've been using my planner lately. So normally I would set up my planner on a Sunday and then I would just have it prepared for the entire week. Well, lately with the current schedule that I've been having, it's been really busy. So I haven't been able to set up my planner the exact same way that I used to, and I have been doing more of rolling planning. So rolling planning is basically when you just kind of write things down exactly when it comes up instead of planning the entire week on one day. So instead of me sitting down on a Sunday and planning out my entire week, what I've been doing lately is kind of just thinking about what's coming up that very next day and writing it down. So it's like plan as you go type method. So I will use my weekly planner to plan out my week and just kind of highlight different things that's going on there. And then I've also been using my daily section in order to plan out more days in detail. So that's how I've been using my planner lately. But now that I have a little bit of time on my hands, I'm going to finish planning out the rest of my week. And I just decided to bring you along with me so that you can kind of see how you can use your planner if you have a really busy schedule. So lately my schedule has been all over the place. And so I have been planning a lot on the go, and I will just kind of set up the first couple of days just so I can see an overview of what's going on, and then I will plan in more detail. So now it's time for us to plan in more detail. This is what I have on my planner so far. So Monday is already done. I did do everything there, but now it's Tuesday and I need to plan out the rest of the week. So in order to do this, I am going to use my black and my red pen. This is the Papermate Ink Joy 0.7 gel pen. It's one of my favorites. I do use that. I also use highlighters. I mainly will use the mild liner highlighters, and I also have some additional color pens. I have some additional things inside of here like whiteout and scissors in case I need it. And then I also have my sticker book. So this is what I will use in order to keep track of all of my functional stickers. These are stickers that I will create in my shop. So if you're interested in any of them, I will leave the link in the description box below. So let's go ahead and start planning out my Tuesday. So the first thing that I like to do is write all of my top tasks, the things that I want to complete at the very top. Now, some of these I have already done, some of these I need to do, but when I am planning as I go, as I think of things, I will immediately write it down. So in the past, what I would do is think about something and then I might put it on a sticky note or put it in another section of my planner. But lately what I have been doing is just writing it in the spot that I need to write it, and then I will add stickers and decorate later on. And this has just been working for me because I realized that when I didn't do it this way, I was more likely not to use my planner just because I was so incredibly busy that I didn't have time to actually plan out my week. It would be Thursday and the week would be pretty much over before I would try and plan it. So doing this method where I plan as I go has been very helpful. And as I think of things, I just write it down. Okay, now that I've listed out everything that I want to do Tuesday, I am going to check off some of the things that I've already done. It's like midday right now, and I have done some of this. And we are currently filming, so that's where I stop. Now I'm going to plan everything else because nothing else has happened yet. So let's take out some stickers. We're gonna plan the rest of the week. One thing that will change from time to time is what I plan on my sidebar. Y'all list in the comments below the different things that you plan in your sidebar. This week, it's going to be my YouTube schedule and also my meals for this week, but I have also done like habits. I also used to do my pre-planning and keep track of events on my sidebar as well. But lately, since I haven't been pre-planning, it's been mainly just my YouTube schedule and my meals. So I always look for new ideas of different things. So y'all put in the comments what you're currently putting on your sidebar. Okay, so I've added my YouTube schedule and my meals for the week on my sidebar. I've also added all of the different things that I want to do Monday and Tuesday. So now we're gonna just keep moving on to Wednesday. Okay, so the first half of the week is done. Let me pull y'all out so you can see what it looks like. I have all of my top to-dos down here, and then I have a bunch of listed things that I want to complete. Now, another thing that I have been doing, I'm gonna finish out the rest of my week, but I wanted to tell y'all another thing that I've been doing, which is pulling my daily sheets for each day that I have been working on, and then I will pop it in here while I'm on that day. So as you can see, I have Monday here and it's here as well. So I have the overview of what the day is gonna look like. And then I have more details here that I can add on more notes, write in different things that happen, write what I ate for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a snack. And I'm able to kind of jot down even more with it being right here. So I will do that whenever I am working on a particular day. I might be working on Thursday, and then I also have it here as well. But once I am done with that day, I will pull it out and put it back in my daily section. And this has just been helping me to really stay on track. Whenever I have all of the details written out, I find myself way more able to kind of stay focused throughout my day because I know what I'm supposed to be working on, and it really does keep me more zoned in. So let's plan the rest of the week. So I'm going to start off by adding just my to-dos at the very top, and then I'm going to also add in my events. I like to use colorful boxes, which are stickers from my shop, in order to add in all of my events. This is the highlighted things that are going to happen throughout my week, and I like to use the boxes because they really do draw my eyes to them, and it makes me really pay attention to those particular events. So I'm going to mark all of those off. I do have a live class with my Organize You members on Thursday. We're going to be doing Thinking Grow Rich book review, so we're going to be talking about that live on this upcoming Thursday, so I'm really excited about that. And then I know my girls have a hair appointment this Friday, and they have one on Saturday as well because they're getting braids, and so it's kind of a 2-day process to get them prepped on Friday, and then Saturday they will get their braids in. And then Sunday we do have some graduations coming up this week. I have one on Wednesday and one on Sunday, so I'm going to mark that off as well. And I'm also going to leave myself a lot of space, so I'm adding in my routines, adding in the main things that I need to do every single day, which is mainly like filming and orders, and then I'm going to add in all of my events, and then I'm going to leave the space. I have been loving extra space left in my planner so that I can add additional details as they come up, instead of having to correct my schedule over and over and over again and scribble scratch all over it. So this has really been working out for me. Okay, so this is how my planner is currently looking. I have listed out all of the different things that I need to do, when I need to do it, and the day that I need to do it. And as you can see, I'm kind of planning as I still go. I listed out everything for the week, but as things come up and as I make changes, I will just pull over my red pen and I will just kind of make adjustments as I need to. And even with the very next week, I am more than likely going to transfer over and kind of keep going instead of waiting and writing it on my sidebar or writing it on a sticky note in order to plan the next week. I just haven't had the chance or the time to be able to do that lately. So I've just been continuing writing down just as I need to write down. So that's been working for me, and I am just going to continue to do that because it just allows me to continue to use my planner the way that I need to use it. And of course, I will continue to also use my plan your day sheets as I need to and write everything down there as well. But this is it for this plan with me. So y'all let me know in the comments below, have you been sitting down planning out your entire week, or are you kind of like me where you gotta plan as you go because time is not allowing you to sit down and plan your whole week? So let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. And until then, keep organizing your life so you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.